If you're a Christian woman over 50 who wants to earn online, but the whole thing feels loud and exhausting and slightly suspicious, then pull up a chair. Or better yet, grab your paddle. Because today we're talking about a way to build income that feels more like pickleball, recreational pickleball, instead of sprinting uphill with ankle weights on. A lot of women I talk to are in this exact place. They're not trying to be internet famous, and they don't want to work for 12-hour days. And they're definitely not interested in dancing on social media to prove that they're still relevant. What they are interested in is a little more breathing room, a little more security, and a way to contribute that fits the season of life that they're in. And quietly they wonder, did I miss the window of opportunity for this? The short answer is, no, you haven't. The longer answer is, you just need a different game plan. Here's how I think about earning online after 50. Most people think of it as a marathon. Harder, faster, don't stop, hustle. But at this stage of life, we're not doing a marathon. It's more like playing recreational pickleball. You still move, you still play to win, you pace yourself, you laugh a little. No one's giving medals for burnout. And honestly, that's where consistency actually comes from. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carol. I retired early after selling my financial business, and I'm also a widow, which means I know firsthand how quickly life can change and how important it is to build something that supports you and doesn't drain you. Faith has always been central in my life, and so has purpose. And in this season, freedom means more than proving anything to anyone. I didn't start building online because I wanted more. I started because I wanted alignment. I wanted recurring income that fit around church, community, health, relationships, and yes, travel to visit the international students who have stayed in my home. And I wanted it without pressure or hype or pretending to be someone that I'm not. Quick pause. If you're someone who likes to think and pray about things before jumping in, I've created something for you. It's a 31-day devotional workbook called Seek, Serve, and Steward. It helps you slow down and reset your mindset around money and purpose, and invite God into the process without fear or urgency. You can download it using the link below this video. Think of it as a warm-up, not a commitment. Here's what I've learned and what I teach to women that I work with. Building income online after 50 works best when you stop chasing trends. You start using what you already know, and you build systems that support your lifestyle. You don't need to post daily, share your whole life, or pressure friends and family. You need clarity, guidance, and a plan that respects your energy. And yes, faith belongs in this conversation because God cares about provision. He is the source. He also cares about stewardship, and he cares about your peace. Today, I help Christian women over 50 build income online in a way that's ethical, sustainable, and faith-aligned. No hustle and no hype, and definitely none of this just try harder nonsense. Just practical steps, community, and support. If you're watching and you're thinking, this is great, but I don't want any pressure, then good, because I feel the same way. That's why I'll share a clear, calm starting point. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It shows you how online income actually works in the season of life, what to focus on first, and how to build something steady without overwhelm. You'll find it linked below. Read it, pray over it, and decide if it's for you. So if you're over 50 and you're wondering, is this too much too late? Let me say this as someone who is standing on the court beside you. For me, learning something completely new has been really fun. After financial work, I thought my brain was toast, but a new, more gentle challenge has been good for it. Working with a mentor and others in the community makes the journey pleasant. You're playing a smarter game now, one that builds for your future, and I'm really glad you're here. In this next video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most sustainable way to grow an online business in this season of life, rooted in stewardship, simplicity, and peace. You'll learn what actually works and what drains your energy, why digital products fit midlife beautifully, how to build income without being online all day, and the 4 essentials for creating financial breathing room going into 2026. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.